AI innovations, transforming the future of technology. AI innovations, transforming the future of technology. Centuries ago, when the world wasn't introduced to any source of technological advancements, people were still ignorant in approaching and unengaging to those kinds of discovery. Life before the rise of technology is still to any kind of technological sorcery that it was still a wonder to some and achievements for scientists to make. One of the massive creation of technological advancement is the artificial intelligence, known as AI. AI is the science of making innovative machines that can think like humans. It is the theory and development for computer systems enabling machines to perform tasks that is normally requiring human intellectuals such as visual perceptions, speech recognition, critical thinking, decision making, and language translation. Life before AI was characterized by manual labor, limited access to information, and human-centric communication. But due to enormous technological upgrade and innovations, the daily lives of humans came to drastic change as AI was introduced. Way back 1950 to 1956, which was considered as the birth of artificial intelligence, Alan Turing published Computer Machinery and Intelligence, which proposed a test of machine intelligence called the imitation game. Turing said came mere years after the development of the first digital computers and before the term artificial intelligence had even been coined. At the time, there were various names for the field of thinking machines, including cybernetics and automata theory. In the early 70s, the capabilities of AI programs were limited. Even the most impressive could only handle trivial versions of problems they were supposed to solve. All programs were, in some sense, toys. However, due to the rampant experiments and tests for improving and enhancing the technology, AI had a gigantic turn as it advances its features. Advancements in AI are rapidly transforming various industries and enhancing technological capabilities. In contrast to life before AI, after AI introduced, life began to mark by automation, efficiency, data-driven decision-making, and advancement healthcare solutions, and generative AI revolutions, multimodal AI, and many more. AI is perennial nowadays as we can also use it on our day-to-day lives. Through the artificial intelligence tools, website can be track of its users' behavior and suggest things nor video they think one likes and enjoys. AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of data and convert its findings into convenient visual form can also accelerate the decision-making processes. Companies can have a little amount of time parsing through those data and can have amounts of time to do something else. Another area that would be impacted is the environment. AI can also optimize energy consumptions, reduce waste, and even predict natural disasters. Without AI, we would need to rely on human ingenuity and manual processes to tackle environmental challenges, which would be much less efficient. Can we survive without AI? Absolutely. Life without AI is not only possible but was the norm for a long time. AI, as we know it today, is the relative recent development, while AI has undoubtedly brought us significant advancements and changes in various fields. There are still many aspects of life and industries that operate without AI. Yet, due to the immensely growing society and numerous factors that we face, AI has become one of the global need and our society and humanity have today for its various advantages to certain events or challenges we're facing, especially to the near future.